Some people love climbing so much. Avid climbers look for aggressively downturned shoes for hiking their way up boulder problems, a precise edging model for long limestone sport routes, or a comfortable kick for all the granite ascents. Whatever it is, know that if it's about climbing shoes, now there are more styles and quality designs to choose from than ever before. There are shoes that are only compatible with experienced climbers. Therefore, we have researched, made a list, and come up with a video about the 5 best climbing shoes in 2021 just for you. So, without wasting any of your time, let's dive in.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Tenaya is famous for their product designs that blend performance and comfort, and now made the TARIFA climbing shoes, which are extremely sensitive and have well edges that excel in sport climbing on rock of all angles. Its synthetic microfiber upper with cotton linings offers all-day comfort, while the speed lace system ensures you can quickly enter your toe and experience the precision fit. It's ideal for steep sport routes, technical face climbing, bouldering, and gym climbing, as its BRS technology provides balance and mobility on every technological edge. Through its narrow last, along with stiff midsoles, make sure your toes stay in their position when you're excelling at edging and steep climbing. Also, it has got 3.5mm Vibram Excess Grip rubber that delivers impressive friction and durability. This entire shoe is handmade to ensure you can experience better performance on steep terrains or sharp edges. It weighs 340 grams only, so when you're overhanging or climbing vertically, you don't feel any bulkiness. Overall, if you want to get the technical advantages while trying to reach your goal and require something sensitive, then the Tenaya TARIFA shoes are the right option to choose. Get a perfect balance and level up your performance with Scarpa Force V. It is a great climbing gear for newbies, providing less aggressive last in its class. Its upper is made from 1.8mm seed leather, while it has got a snug heel cup, padded mesh tongue, and dual power straps. All are combined to deliver must-have adjustability and comfortable fit for every beginner. It features a flat profile and less aggressive last that brings high performance, while its soft yet compact construction strikes the perfect balance between all-day comfort and climbing performance. Its flexible midsole and V-tension system enhance toe pulling power by supporting the arch and forefoot area, which works in the same way as the extension to maintain the optimum foot position for small footholds. These shoes have a 4mm Vibram Excess rubber outsole, which is a little bit thicker than the Tenaya TARIFA but works absolutely fine for those who are new. The best part is, you can resolve its outsole if it ever gets damaged. These 250-gram Scarpa Force V shoes are just for you if you have a passion for climbing and a beginner, since they can provide a perfect balance. Introducing the Sportiva Skwama, a flexible climbing shoe that can handle elite-level technical routes and boulder problems, making it a great gear for crack climbing. With the perfect combination of leather, microfiber, rubber toe cap, and tubular construction, these shoes ensure your toes stay safe in any snuggly space. As it's flexible, it increases the possibility of using the shoe spreading on the rock homogeneously and uniformly. Even its innovative patented shell S-heel maintains stability, accentuating the performance and the adaptability in the shoe during heel hooks. The ultra-sticky rubber at the toe protects against abrasion and forms a grippy surface for toe hooks, while the Vibram X's Grip 2 outsole provides maximum grip on any type of wall. To sum things up, with the easy security of a hook and loop closure system, the Sportiva Skwama fits like skin and protects like a scale. Next, we've got the Acro form Butora, which is a stiff yet sensitive gear specially designed for steep sport climbing and bouldering. It features a combination of soft synthetic and natural leather in the upper construction that allows you to experience more outstanding performance and a surprisingly comfortable fit. With a mesh tongue and small dot holes on both the front and back side, your legs stay free from moisture during the hot and humid summer days. Its high-tension heel rand brings all the power to the front toe for superior edging, while the Butora signature triple fork hook and loop strap provides the convenience of a slipper with extra security and custom fit. Its custom blend ABS injected midsoles maintain a downturn, and the large sticky rubber toe patch allows secure toe hooking in the most technical situations. Plus, its Butora new fused sticky rubber outsole provides excellent grip while you are climbing vertically. Overall, the Butora Acro weighs nearly 1 kg, which is pretty bulky than its competitors, but the feature it provides makes it an ideal companion for your rock climbing adventure. Coming at number 1, we have another shoe from Sportiva, and the Katana Laces has earned our top rank. The Lace is the up version of the famous Katana model. Its exterior is made from leather and microfiber with a Pacific lining system for maximum comfort and breathability. Its P3 is a technical rounding system that is developed to deliver power to the soles and maintain the downturn shape of the shoes. Also, the tongue is made with soft yet breathable material, and the lacing system allows optimum regulation inside the shoe. Its Larico lacing harnesses provide an exact no-stretch fit. These laces are made of recycled PET from plastic bottles, and if needed, you can use them as a paracord on a survival situation. It features a 4mm Vibram X's edge rubber outsole that makes moderate rock climbing super easy if you're a beginner or a pro climber, and also provides excellent friction on the small holes. These shoes weigh exactly 500 grams, so when you're overhanging or trying to cross your limit, your toes stay free of pain. In summary, the Sportiva Katana Laces is a game changer that provides a versatile yet comfortable user experience. So that was all about the 5 best climbing shoes in 2021 just for you. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.